We will be replacing the stock halogen low beam headlights in this 2018 Buick Regal with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. The tools you'll need for this are a flathead screwdriver and long pliers like channel locks. Here's what the stock halogen headlights look like in the 2018 Buick Regal. Begin by opening the hood to access the bulbs. You will see the round dust cover located near the headlights. Remove the cover by turning it counterclockwise. Next, unplug the wire connector on the back of the bulb. Now you can use your pliers to grasp the bulb. While you hold it tight, you can use a screwdriver to release the locking tabs. It's difficult to see here in the tight space, but there are 3 tabs that hold the base of the bulb in. Once you have popped free all the tabs, you can carefully wiggle the bulb out of the housing. To install your new LED bulb, first start by plugging in the wire connection. You can then feed the driver and any extra wires into the housing. The installation of this bulb is very important. You need the bulb to be installed vertically with the LED chips on the left and right. This DCR model has a 360-degree adjustable chuck to adjust to most any housing or car. For this car, you need to line up the bulb with the 1 square tab at the top. At first glance, the 2 bulbs seem very different, but if we look closer, you'll see that the new LED bulb was designed to fit the exact same as your stock halogen, with the same distance from the chuck to the end of the bulb, and the LED chips located at the exact same place as the halogen filament. Now push the bulb all the way into the housing, and the tabs will lock on by themselves. You can see the tabs in place here and here. Finish by replacing the dust cover. Now for the other side. Remove the dust cover and unplug the wire connector. Use pliers to hold the bulb as you loosen the locking tabs. Pull the bulb out of the housing and replace with your new LED bulb. Plug in the wire connector, feed the driver and any extra wire into the housing, and insert the bulb with the tab on top all the way into the housing until it locks in. Finally, replace the other dust cover and you're done. Here is what all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting look like installed as the low beams.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.
Thanks for watching.